The ZK airdrop is upon us and is already tradable. So we jump straight onto the laptop and we watch at the first information. First of all, I want to talk about a ByBit talk that we had a couple of days ago. If you did listen to me, you did receive 2,500 LFT token, which now is equivalent to $300. So do not miss the ByBit update that I take you. It is a simple exchange. You simply need to sign up through the link down below, which you will find, and you have the possibility to earn tokens simply by interacting with the protocol holding it, and my community receives the tokens as well. So do not fade the ByBit information. I will leave them linked down below. Following up, a very important NFT over here from the Uniswap official account. It is a worthy fight. It is also being tweeted by Zora itself over here from Uniswap. So definitely go and mint it. It is a $2.5 mint. Very, very simple to go and mint it. Make sure to go and collect it. Make sure to go and earn it. You can mint more than one. You can mint all the ones that you want, but definitely go and get it for a possible collaboration as well, moving towards the Zora airdrop. But the Uniswap x Zora, it is very important. We already collected once. It is time to collect also this one for $2.50, only gas fees. Following up, we're gonna go and talk about the Multisync. Now, this one, if you don't remember, if you're new to the channel, it is kind of like the newest grass airdrop situation, and it is absolutely free to join. You do not need to install anything, no plugin. We are simply at the very, very early stages of the Multisync, and this is the page that you need to go. You simply sign up with your email and password. I will leave you the link down below. And make sure to go and simply sign up. If you wish to support me with my referral link, thank you very much. It does help me a lot and it doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is simply sign up, put an email, verify it, and you are good to go to earning points, which is the key point right as of right now. They have just released the light paper as well, which is visible over here. They address the challenges and everything, so how the multisync protocol works, deterministic computation, the snapshot, because there will be an airdrop as well for the for this protocol. There will be an airdrop, and they do talk about it over on the snapshot, how everything works. So definitely go and have a look around it, see what it is, see whether you're interested or not for the possibility of the airdrop, and what basically Grass 2.0 would be, which potentially it's even better. So I will leave you a link also down below, but simply go and sign up. It is absolutely free to go and do it. Following up, we got the initial trading event of the Rea Labs over here, which you can trade and earn experience point on the Rea decentralized exchange. The app is over here, which we're gonna go and load in just a second. You'll earn the XP for your open interest, and each trade will also be randomly boosted by 1 to 10x. So simply go and trade, get boost, get point allocation. In the first 3 weeks of this event, which happened yesterday, so you got 3 weeks from now, you have the chance to earn rare NFTs, burn them for an extra 7-day random boost, or hold onto them until the end of the season to mint them all. This one is the platform, as we see over here, and it is over on the Riot Dex. And we can see it over here that we got the trading, the dashboard. You connect the wallet over here on the top. You can connect with MetaMask, with Rabbit Wallet, with Coinbase Wallet, and any others. And you simply go and do trade. Now, this one is for the good people at trading. So if you do not know how to trade, do not go and risk it. Do not do anything that you are not entirely sure what to do, because with this one there could be the risk of impermanent loss and you could lose money. Personally, for me, if I go and trade with anything, I go and trade with potentially just $1 to $10 max, because I'm not a professional trader. You see it from the channel. I don't make videos, oh, trade this long, this short, that. So be careful what you do. Very, very important, but I will leave you the link down below if you want to start earning it. Next up, we got an update over on the Tycho airdrop, and the Tycho airdrop is actually coming. As we see over here, this is the image, and over on their video on 2nd 23rd, Tycho airdrop, it is actually coming. So what do we have to do next for the airdrop? Well, we need to go and complete all of the Tycho over here, the Galaxy quest, which are super easy. We got the retweet, the human role, the trailblazer page, the task verification with the breach, with the swap. So definitely go and do it. They are free to do it. Tycho is still on a testnet, and nothing requires real money over on Tycho. And do not click any of these websites that you do find down below as well. They could be leading to a scam situation. So Be very, very careful with it. But the Tyco airdrop has been confirmed from the Tyco team, as we see over here, also from their images. Now, is this the snapshot taken? Absolutely not, because the Galaxy Quest are still going. They didn't end it. So there's still time to go and earn this airdrop. There is nothing set in stone for this airdrop as terms of a snapshot being taken, not the possibility to have earning it anymore. So definitely keep on going to mint it, keep on going to farm it, do all the testnet transactions because they are all free by now. Next up, we got the ZkSync token airdrop. It is coming really, really soon. And as of right now, it is already tradable over on the Aivo platform over here. Ahead of the highly anticipated ZkSync token launch, you can trade the ZkSync on Aivo today. The token has 21 billion maximum supply, so 0.47 implies a fully diluted valuation at $10 billion. And over here is the page which now sits at 60 cents. If you want to go and look at it, check it out. I will leave the link down below. I personally am not going to enter these trades or do nothing with this because I'm waiting for it to go live, even to wait to see if I'm eligible or not. Like, we actually have no idea for it. So definitely keep an eye out on it. But Aivo over here, which is a first derivative L2 focused on options and perpetual trading, has the possibility to go and do it. But, you know, make sure to be easy. Do not over leverage, do not over trade. It is trading at 0.60 as of right now, or 0.65. Sometimes it goes up and down. We got 35% upward trend. It did release at 50 cents as we saw before. So definitely something nice to go and see. We also have the BitGet pre-market listing of the ZkSync airdrop. We'll launch the token pre-market trading. Here we got the ZkSync sign. Over on Aivo, they gave them the ZK sign as well, so it's a little bit of confusion, but we will see what they come out with. And it will launch on May 22nd at 9 a.m. the pre-market trading. And talking about it, the ZkSync airdrop, as we see over here, it is circulating online. That is currently aiming to be at the token generation event. The TGE is scheduled for June 13 for the airdrop. So we have potentially the snapshot at this point has been taken, as it is May 22nd, and if the airdrop will be on June 13, I do think the snapshot has already been taken for the airdrop, with the company noting that it would be before the Blast token airdrop on June 26, according to the internal message screenshot seen by the blog. So this one as well, it is a source by the blog.co, which is another website of like news and updates over here. It is all speculation. It is all a little bit of speculation, to say the least. So take it with a grain of salt, but the ZkSync airdrop seems to be very, very close. And are we in time to go and mint and to go and farm it even more? I think the farming situation is over, in terms that what we have farmed right now, it's what it is. And the token being released, if it is released on June the 13th, the snapshot either is taken in 8 days at the end of May, and then they got 13 days for the distribution to see how everything works, to start the listing of the exchange, or it is already done. But let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And with that said, I will see you all in this afternoon's video, because the news keep on coming, and see you later.